Okay, I'm going to make this brief because I really appreciate you all coming. Don't laugh when I say brief.
It's a relative term.
I can be brief, I can. Yeah, but I know some people need to get back to work and whatnot, so I want to thank everybody for coming. I kind of want to start by saying, a lot of people say a lot of interesting things to you when you are going through cancer treatment, but I have not felt like I have been fighting cancer these last 6 months. The people who have been fighting cancer are these wonderful people over here. So if we could just have a round of applause for them. They have been very kind to poison me on a regular basis to the point of health. So very grateful for that. But then I would also like to ask for a round of applause for all of you people who have been an incredible support to us over the last 6 months, feeding us, cleaning our house, looking after our children and cleaning them too. Absolutely, in fact decorating our house. Yeah, just we really have appreciated that so much, and the amount of support kind of can't be overstated. So let's have a round of applause for all. Lastly, a massive round of applause and appreciation for my wife, who has carried so much of the weight of our family for the last 6 months. For those of you who don't know, we've been going through building work, which was supposed to end at the end of September, and is still going. So she's been managing all of that amidst our wonderful 2-year-olds and everything that comes with that. So, Becca, thank you. So I want to finish by singing a song. Some of you will know it, but it's based on something that Jesus said in the Bible. He told a little parable, as he was accustomed to do, and he said, "Whoever hears these words of mine and does them is like a wise man who built his house on a rock, and the rain came, the wind came and beat against the house, but it stood firm. But whoever hears these words of mine and doesn't put them into practice is like a foolish man who built his house in the sand, and the rain came, the wind came and beat against the house and flattened it." And the thing that's interesting about what he said is that whether you're with him or not with him, everybody gets a storm. Everybody gets difficulties. Everybody gets hardship. And for me, I've so far just really known him to be faithful to those words, and building my life around who he is and what he said has kept me firm and steady in a way that I know that I can't just personally take credit for. People like to say, "Oh, you're really strong, you're so resilient." And I want to tell a quick story. I think it was the first week, maybe after my first dose of chemo, I was lying in bed, not really understanding that this was about to be a lot of my life for the next 6 months. And I just really felt like I'd already come to the end of myself, and I was like, I don't know if I can do this for 6 months. And literally, I don't know what that means, but I don't know if I can do this for 6 months. And I was praying, and I just said, "God, you're going to have to do something, because I really don't feel like I've got it in me to do this for 6 months." And the only way I can describe it is super clear as day. It was like Jesus was just there with me, and like night and day, I didn't have the strength to do it, and then I just did. I hadn't worked anything up. I hadn't tried to kind of focus myself on positives and negatives. It was like he just came close to me and was like, "I've got you." And then I just felt like, well, I can do this. And I was just convinced of that. So I just feel like I've been carried this entire time. And I've actually barely thought about cancer in the last 6 months at all. Chemo's been the hardest thing, to be honest. But it's not really been on my mind. I've not really been thinking about battling it or winning. I've just been trusting like who God is and what He's wanting to do with me, regardless of the outcome. So I want to sing a song. It's a song of celebration regarding all of that. But it just kind of says who he's been, and me being grateful for that. And hopefully I'll play it right. If you know it, you can sing along, but maybe not too loud because people will be having appointments down the Christ is my firm foundation, the rock on which I stand. Everything around me shaking. I've never been more glad that I put my faith in Jesus. He's never let me down. He's faithful in every season. So why would He fail now? He won't. Joy in chaos. I've got peace that makes no sense. I won't be going under. I'm not held by my own strength, 'cause I've built my life on Jesus. He's never let me down. He's faithful through generations. Why would He fail now? He won't. He won't fail. He won't fail. Rains came, winds blew, my house was built on You. I'm safe with You, and I'm gonna make it through. Rains came, winds blew, my house was built on You. I'm safe with You, and I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it through. My house was built on You. I'm gonna make it through. 'Cause my house was built on You. I've still got joy in chaos. I've got peace that makes no sense. I won't be going under. I'm not held by my own strength, 'cause I built my life on Jesus. He's never let me down. He's faithful in